Well, happy Saturday, everybody. We finally got some sunshine and some blue skies. And I wanted to introduce you to Daffy here. We haven't met Daffy before, although I've had Daffy for 3.5 years. I bought him as a project, a winter project, back when I had a part-time job, and then promptly turned around and got a full-time job and then 2 jobs. And poor Daffy has been sitting under a tree for the last 3 years. And I finally got told that he had to move on, and I lost my storage spot. So here he is, fresh out of storage. I don't know what to do with him. He's a bit of a project and I don't really have any more time, but yeah. Bit of a walk around, lovely patina here. Yeah, it comes with a free bath mat. That's not mine. He's accumulated that somehow whilst he's been parked away. We've also got a lovely little bag of dog poop in here. That's fun. Someone's decided to leave that for me too. At least it's still intact. That's good, I guess. Bye-bye. We've got a palm tree. Cool. Pot that out. That'll be a nice little bonus. Get a free tree out of it. Even though it's been parked for 3 years, tyres still had air, the lights still work, they're newer LEDs, so that's all good. It's actually fully road legal as far as the trailer goes, which is nice. Bit gunky in here. I'll take this off. I've forgotten what's under here. Oh, that's fun. Yummy ant's nest. That's a big ant's nest too. Big ants, not big nest. Ooh. Look at that. So there we go. It has a very anti-Evinrude 15 there. When we got it, we did get it started almost straight away with some starter fluid, but it didn't pump. The impeller wasn't working, so that's why we didn't get stuck straight into it cleaning it up, because we knew we had some work to do. So I don't know what to do with this guy. I think I'll probably put an ad up on Facebook as is, see if I get my money back. Otherwise, we're gonna have some fun with the pressure washer over the next few days, clean it all up, get all our stuff out, get our free tree, and then we'll go from there. I've got a better motor in the garage we could put on it, or we could, I don't know, try and get the impeller done, get that service, who knows. Plot twist, found something inside. Check this out. Look what was sitting here. Just cover up the number for privacy, but someone might be interested in buying it. Although having a look at the condition of this, they might have been interested in buying it 2 or 3 years ago. But anyway, we'll send them a text, see what happens. So what do you think, team? What should we do with Daffy here? Should we try and save him ourselves, or just give him a little clean and send him on down the road for someone else to save? I don't know, I've always liked him, having a nice tinny with the front windshield and forward controls. The kids would like that out on the harbour. But yeah, I don't know what to do, so you tell me what I should do. So I guess we should get this tarp off. It's really nicely secured. It's been there for over 3 years and hasn't missed a beat. But whether I work on it or sell it, it's gonna have to come off. So we might as well take it off now. No cover is off. Let's check the controls here, see if anything moves back there. Ah, that one works. That's our gear selector, that's good. Oh, throttle works too. So hey, that's a good start. We've got stuff going on back there when we move our levers. It may not be that far gone. It even still turns, look at that. Oh, it's just like a new one. Oh, that guy's actually already got back to me. He's also a long way away now. He says he left that message, sounds like over 2 years ago, so we're a little late to the party there. He might still potentially be interested in just the hull, which would mean I can keep the trailer and find a better, more functional, ready to go boat for me if I wanted to, or I don't know. So we'll just see where this one ends up and I'll keep you posted. But the more I spend time with Daffy, the more I like him again. can see why I bought him in the first place, so that's going to be a problem. Don't tell my wife. We'll see you next time.